Hey, hi, Amanda here, and I have to apologize, you have not seen me much this month because literally every one of my subscription boxes is still not here as of December 26th, with the exception of the Love Goodly and the Medusa's Makeup, which you've already seen on the channel this month. Petite Voir is somewhere in Elkridge, Maryland in a sorting center, has been for a week now. I have no idea where my Kinder Beauty is. During the sales, I went ahead and opted for the year-long subscription that they were offering a offer for, and you'd get a free extra box worth whatever value. I have yet to see that extra box. I have yet to see my December box. It says they're paid for. No idea where they are. And then Vegan Cuts as well. Their website has been glitching for quite some time now, several months to my knowledge, so I can't go on there and see where any of my stuff is. I have not received tracking numbers. Last time I did get a tracking number for them for a previous month's box, it was after I'd already received the box, so I don't know what's going on with them, but we don't have the snack box or the beauty box, which typically arrive together anyway. So I have no idea where any of this stuff is. If it was meant to be themed around the holidays, well, that was a fail, so I'm really annoyed. And at this point, especially with Kinder and Vegan Cuts, I feel like the fault is on the companies and not the mail system. I'll give Petite Voir a pass because it does seem like the tracking stops at a sorting center, so it's still at that sorting center clearly. But the other two, I don't even have information on when things have even shipped, so I'm very irritated by that. If you can't tell, I feel like this is not new. We've been in a pandemic going on 2 full years now, right? Like, people should realize things take time. Ship them ahead of time. Shift your resources that you've allocated to boxing these things and getting them out during the holidays when things are crazy. I don't know. I have realized I'm not running a business of my own, but as the one who has put my money to these businesses, I'm irritated. That said, all I have to film for you right now is an Empties video, so let's go ahead and get that done so I can put all this stuff out for the last recycling collection of the year. I'll also be filming my what I get for Christmas video, hopefully today. I don't have a full face on or anything, just a little mascara, smidge of concealer, a little bit of balm, because I'm literally not doing anything. I've taken the whole next week off. I'm doing nothing this week, and today was just not a put on a face and makeup day, so let's go ahead and get started on these Empties. And like I mentioned, you'll see my Christmas gifts probably after this video. So first thing I have in here is the Batiste Dry Shampoo Plus with a hint of color, Divine Dark. Austin uses this. His hair is very greasy, and he found that this was a good fix for him. We bought a different one. I think it was a different tint and it was way too dark, and it like rubs off on everything, so I've got to try and find this exact one to get him again. Then we have the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Shea Curl Defining Conditioner. I wouldn't repurchase this. I find I like Briogeo products. I don't love it. Like, it was a decent conditioner. It got the job done. But the Briogeo packaging is my biggest gripe. The thickness, the viscosity of this product is not made for this pretty rigid plastic squeeze bottle. There's definitely still a decent amount of product in there that I just couldn't get out. Even after banging and banging and banging it on my hand. Like, it just would not come out. So, definitely not going to be in my repurchase, specifically because of the packaging. And I think the packaging probably tinted my reflection of the product itself, because I'd get so annoyed with the packaging that once I got the product in my hair, I just was trying to get it over with and get my hair conditioned and be done with it. So yeah, I can't recommend them. This product, I think this came in a Vegan Cuts a while ago, and I've barely used it because once again, packaging product decisions. So this is the Balanced Guru Room and Body Smudge Spray Cosmic Herbal. It's got sage, sandalwood, lavender, chamomile, and lots of good vibes. So as you can see, there's lots of actual physical bits in this bottle, and they clog up the sprayer, and I am not going to sit here and fuss with this because I don't think the smell is that great in order to get it to clear the sprayer and get product out, because that's just annoying. Stupid decision made on behalf of Balance Guru. It makes it impossible to use. I've sprayed like down to here and that's it. I can't use it anymore because I'm not going to fight with it. So I'm just getting rid of this. I'll probably dump it out and clean the little container and throw it in the recycle because I'm irritated by the product too. I don't know if you can tell, everything's irritating me here in late December. I don't know why. Maybe it's the rise of COVID and everyone around me having it. Maybe it's just being cooped up at home again for the millionth time during the pandemic. I don't know. Everything's irritating me this week, so that is no exception. This irritates me as well. Next, let's do packaged items like this. This is the Pacifica Glowing Glycolic Acid Orange and Vanilla Makeup Removing Wipes. So I've worn makeup a lot in the past couple of months for various outings, events, work things. So I have been using these kind of in combination with my my melt, like my butter cleansers or whatever. And so I will go over my face with one of these to kind of get most of the face layer off, and then I'll use the, what am I trying to say? Like the butter cleansers on my eyes to get the eye makeup off, and then I'll take the one I've already used and go over and try and wipe all that off and then do my actual cleansing. So these have been a nice addition for that, although I will say the scent's pretty strong, which I don't love. So if you're sensitive to that, I don't recommend them. And then we have the Uni Shower Sheets, and it's just a really large wipe that you can use to like shower your body. I used this when I had worked out and didn't have a chance to hop in the shower before needing to head somewhere else. I don't even remember what the outing was, but I remember I didn't have time to shower, and so I just used this to de-stinkify a little, and you know, it definitely gets the job done. It's a weird dry feeling on the skin. It's not something I'd purchase myself or recommend, but it got the job done. More little packets. I've got the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, which is a perfectly good primer. I find sometimes it's almost too slick. I feel like I have to stop for a few minutes after putting this on and let it kind of soak in before I can get on to the next layer with my foundation and concealer and stuff, because this is almost too slick. I do have like a little plastic sample size of it I'm in the middle of, and every time I use it, it's like I'm fighting my makeup to stay on the face because it's almost sliding off because it's too slick. I feel like this would probably be better for someone with dry skin instead of normal skin. And yeah, overall it is a good primer, but I just don't think it's working with my current skin texture. Let's see, we have from Athena Club, this is the Creamy Body Wash. I did just recently get the razor, and these were sent as freebies. Perfectly fine body wash, nothing remarkable. And then the Dewy Body Lotion, also perfectly satisfactory lotion, but nothing remarkable. I will say though, I like the razor I bought. I like the little shower hangy thing. I like the heads, but I don't like their system where they put you on a subscription. Full honesty here, I'm lazy. I don't shave all the time, especially in winter, because it's like I'm in pants or leggings or sweatpants half the time. Who's seeing my legs? I mean, my husband, he doesn't give a shit. So I don't care for that aspect. I don't like how you can't just like cancel the subscription aspect. I had to stick it on like a 6-month pause or something, which is obnoxious. Like, just don't do a subscription. Let people go on and buy them when they need them. I think that's would make way more sense, but I do like the razor itself. The product is good. Next we have another product I'm not finishing. This is the Piper White Underarm Oil, Tea Tree, Chamomile, and Ginger, and this does nothing. It does nothing. It's a waste. It's just a bunch of oils in here. The product packaging is not very smart for the type of product. This is an oil and it's just got this little cap. So you go pour it and then it starts pouring right down and gets everywhere. So I've got it everywhere in my bin right now. It was leaving oil everywhere on the shelf I had this on, and it's just a messy, gross product. And I mean, maybe if it was in if it had a dropper top, that would make more sense, but I also just don't think it does anything. It's just rubbing oils on your armpits, which in turn means you have to stand around naked even longer after a shower because you have to let those oils soak in, or you're going to ruin the shirt or the dress you put on afterwards. So yeah, just junk. That's not a good product. Next, I'm on a rampage today. From 3 Ships, this is the Purify Aloe and Amino Acid Cleanser. I had one of these in the shower, and I still have one of these on my vanity in the bathroom, and they're quite good. Very nice cleansers, do a really good job cleansing. I wouldn't say there's anything that stands out as remarkable. It's a cleanser, and it's a good cleanser. Yeah, it gets the job done. I don't recommend against it if you ever happen to come across it. Now I have a body lotion. This is the Prima Skin Therapy Ultra Rich Body Butter for dry and hydrated skin. It says broad spectrum hemp / CBD, shea butter, and jojoba. I don't think there are really any benefits you're getting from the hemp CBD. I'm not like a huge believer in hemp CBD. Like, if it's doing something, it is such a micro effect that you're really never going to notice it, honestly. But it was a very nice body butter, and it rubbed in very nicely, and it smelled strange. Yeah, the smell of this was strange. Like a mix of relaxing herb spa botanicals meets the sharpness of a nail salon. It's a very strange scent, but it was a nice body butter, and I probably wouldn't repurchase it. I do think I purchased this myself from Sephora. I wouldn't repurchase it, but I didn't mind using it. It was nice enough. Another body lotion. I think this came in a recent subscription. I want to say a Vegan Cuts. It's for Glow for a Cause. It's their Love is Love body butter. Love the cause here. The scent was so interesting. Very like powdery and fresh laundry. Kind of meets an old lady, but in a pleasant way. I really liked this. I imagine this is what one of the Golden Girls might smell like, to be honest. I liked it. And the body butter itself was really creamy and whipped and nice. This was a really nice product. And then a face lotion I finished. This is from Save. More Than Natural Skincare. It's the anti-pollution sleeping mask. So I used this as my nighttime moisturizer, and it was very moisturizing, very hydrating, and a nice moisturizer overall. I don't think there were any ingredients in here that I was like opposed to. Yeah, no, the ingredient list is great, and definitely something I would be happy to use again. Right now I'm using a different one of their moisturizers as my new nighttime moisturizer, and that one is more lotiony, less of this mask, thicker texture. It's still nice though. And as I mentioned, I did get a new razor. So this one, who has probably been with me from like late high school, if I'm being completely honest, and is really broken, barely hanging on, is going. This is a Schick. Yeah, this is definitely on its deathbed. 2 more beauty products to share. The first is from Pacifica. It's the Island Vanilla Perfume. I have received so many compliments. Every time I wear this and we leave the house, I get a compliment from someone. I put it on and Austin comes in the bathroom while I'm still getting ready. Compliments. This is just the most beautiful, lip off, warm, sensual vanilla scent. It just smells delicious. Now, I haven't actually finished the entire thing. I decanted it into that sprayer that I purchased. I think I shared it in a video last month. But it just smells so good. It's such an amazing scent. I really, really love these Pacifica scents, and the nice part is that they're affordable. They're so affordable. So I'll definitely be repurchasing some of these after I finish my entire perfume collection. I have 2 large perfumes left from before going vegan and when I hoarded perfumes, and so I'm going to get through those. I think it's like Marc Jacobs Honey and Calvin Klein Forbidden Euphoria. I'm going to get through those, and then I've got a couple little ones left, and then after that I'm going to finally let myself just buy perfume and smell things and experiment and make sure they're vegan and cruelty free and enjoy myself. So I'm very excited. I'm definitely going to get another one of this because it smells so good, and I get so many compliments on that fragrance. Then the last beauty product to share is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I really, really loved this. I loved the look, and I loved that it didn't smudge. The problem is, though, as time went on, this got very flaky. As the product inside dries out, it gets very flaky. So I did end up with a lot of flakes, and it dried out way faster than any other mascara I have used, which is annoying, but whatever. I'd definitely use it again, though, because I do like the look that I get when using it. And then the last product I have to share, not a beauty product, but I wanted to share it anyway because it's a local company, and this is from Carb Candle Co. And it is their S'mores hand-poured candle. Soy wax, cruelty-free, paraben-free, 50-hour burn time. Here is what it looks like. The S'mores candle I have actually had sitting right over here on my desk, and whenever I'm having like a serious concentrating work day, I'll light this and get like a nice ambiance going. And I will say it burns all the way down, like there's hardly anything left in there, but it still smells amazing. I love those s'mores campfire sweet scents, and this was no exception. This was amazing, and I will probably buy another one of these again when I go through some of the candles that I bought for the season. Love it. Love it. So that is everything I have to share with you guys in the final Empties video of the year for 2021. Hopefully 2022 brings us a little bit more joy and personal medical health freedom than the past year has, and we don't have to wear masks forever. I mean, it's kind of gotten a little lax, and you know, then this other variant's been spreading like crazy. So hopefully things actually quote unquote go back to normal as we can be, but like also maybe not bringing back some of the terrible parts of normal. Yeah, hopefully it's a better year. But you know what, even if it's not, you gotta make the best of it. I'm just very thankful to have you all here on my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for putting up for all the ranting I did this video. I know I've just been ranting left and right this video. I haven't had coffee yet. Maybe I would have been a more pleasant person, who knows. But I will definitely get you guys my what I got for Christmas video. It shouldn't be too long. And I will hopefully have subscription videos to share with you guys. But I have a feeling some of those boxes aren't even going to arrive till January. So we'll see how that shakes out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, comments down below, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.